It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Hi guys, and welcome to day 28. Yes, today's day 28. I did not upload a video today. I didn't know what to upload. I did not do anything yesterday and then today was kind of lazy-ish, but I'm up and on today, or this afternoon. It's like currently after 4 thereabouts. I'm not even sure, but hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. In today's vlog, as you see, it's gonna be my night routine, but it's gonna be an evening / night routine. As I said, it's like after 4, after 3 thereabout. I'm not even sure. I'm gonna look on the time and then let you guys know. So I'm basically right now just watching some YouTube videos. I just stepped out because there's music playing in my house and your girl don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just here, just starting off the vlog, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm currently watching YouTube videos, plus I'm actually downloading Sims. So yes, that's what I'm doing, and then I'll update you guys whenever I do something else. So guys, I'm actually trying to watch out some of my videos. I'm currently watching I can't even remember her name right now. Oh yes, Shariah, is that her name? Shariah Akins. She watches my videos and she has a channel, so you guys can go ahead and check her out. Currently watching her video in my playlist of, guys, I remember all my time I said it was at 100 I add. It had 214. No, it had 221. And there's so many videos. Oh gosh, so I'm just going through trying to watch as many as I can. I'm also, let me pause her for a while, I'm also downloading Sims back. Yeah, but I kind of delete it because I wanted to upgrade. So yeah, I'm downloading Sims again. Plus I'm also trying to plan videos for January, which is a struggle. Guys, let me know down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. I want to plan from now because I want to be prepared, so in January I can actually put out videos. What I'm planning on doing is having uploads like on 3 days for the year, like normally pretty much every week, just 3 videos per week. And then on my gaming channel I want to do like 2 videos per week. So on my main channel I want to do Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Let me know guys if you want me to do those days or if you prefer a different day, and let me know. I'm planning on like 12 o'clock for the weekdays and then 10 o'clock for the weekend. So my videos Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will be like 12 o'clock, but remember Wednesday and Friday will be my gaming channel. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. I want to do like a new intro or something like that for the new year. It will be the same song but a new kind of intro or something different for the new year, you know, just make that my kind of thing because I like to do the intros. I just don't know what yet. I've been trying to figure it out, but I don't think I've given myself enough time to think in order my battery is flashing, in order to, you know, think about what I want, like what I did for my Vlogmas intros. What I need to do is just sit down tonight. I want to do that tonight and listen to the song, think about some ideas of what I want in my intro, and then, you know, film that or just put things together for it or whatever. I'm gonna charge this battery and watch some more videos. Then when I do something else I will let you guys know. Oh yes, by the way, it is 4:45 p.m. I thought it was like after 3, but it's like 4:45 p.m. Alright guys, so it is currently about 6. It's after 6 now. It is 6:13 p.m. I'm plugging on the phone because the battery of the camera is charging. I still go and take it out. Just giving it some more few more minutes. I stopped watching YouTube because I just remember so we have prayer meeting, so I'm gonna have dinner now and listen in on the prayer meeting while I'm having dinner, and then when hopefully I can wait until prayer meeting finish. I don't want to wait too late to go and bathe because it's cold, so girl ain't gonna try to, I ain't trying to catch up a cold. I was actually installing my Sims, as I said. However, I don't have enough space, so I have to wait probably until I buy my hard drive, which I'm hoping that the next time I buy something from Amazon, I'm actually purchasing my hard drive because I need it. I have like no space on my laptop, so I'm pausing that. So I have no Sims to play tonight, and I was planning on playing that. No, I don't bait it. I'm doing my night routine. So right now we're going to eat. That's what I just said. We're gonna eat, and I was waiting on her because my parents them eat already, and I was yeah. We're gonna look for people. I was waiting on her, and now she's here and she starts eat before me. I'm there away for a long time. Anyways, I'm gonna eat, guys. Let us go eat and listening on that prayer meeting. Guys, so the camera battery is charged, so we're gonna eat. We're gonna use pretty plates, guys. We bought these plates, and like they're like the cutest things ever. I just love square plates. They're just the cutest. So we're gonna be using, you want this one or do you want the dinner one? Okay, so we're gonna be using these right now. Let me grab myself a fork. Don't want to drop you guys in the water. Let's grab forks. And for Shan, for me. Here you go, honey. Here's my ice. So this is dinner. Yeah. We're having basically leftovers from Christmas. So this is beef and chicken with some
from Christmas they don't cook these.
extra. Anyways, and this is potato, and this just cooked. That's yam. And we're having some drink. Squeeze. It's so yummy when you're at time you want this. So anyways, we're gonna eat. Alright guys, so this is my bathroom, and now I'm gonna like have a bath and stuff like that. Oh yes, by the way guys, I did show you guys, and I'm not sure if all you guys saw this, but I installed the rain shower and it's working great. I still have like leaks coming out here, but that is fine. This is adjustable, so I normally build it like that, or I can like take it out and stuff. So this is better than the one I had before, because the other one was like here, and you know I have to hold it in order to bed with it, but when it's there it's pretty great. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm out of the bath, but I forgot to show you guys like what I used to bathe. So I use Iris Spring. It doesn't matter which, if it's original or whatever. Once it's Iris Spring, I kind of like to use it. So yeah, and sometimes I use this. Like I got this the other day in one of my presents from my Secret Santa, and I've been using this sometimes. So that has been using, and then sometimes I also use this. yeah, females will know what this is. But yeah, and I use my loofah to bathe nowadays because it's easier to wash out than a rag. And since I use that, like if I'm using like a soap, I'll use my rag. However, I use like my loofah, but I use like my rag to dry off and such like that. So yeah, bathing is done for tonight. Now I do like my facial, my skincare, and brush my teeth and stuff. So this is where I keep it, my skincare stuff. So I just take it down and rest it on my little thing here. Ooh. It kind of crowded because this was added, that thing that my mom made was added to the collection, so it's kind of crowded now. But yeah, I still just rest it there. Basically, I'm gonna brush my teeth and then show you guys what I use to wash my face. Alright guys, so right now, you know, I haven't even used this as yet. I want to use it, but because I have on the thing on my the hair, I don't use it. Alright, so basically what I'm doing now, this is not a skincare routine, so I'm just going to be showing you guys like what I use at night. Like sometimes I use this, like if I know of it, like when I was cleaning a lot, I've been using this because I know like extra dust will be on my face, or if I know I'm going to wear makeup or whatever for the day, I'd use that. But since I haven't really done much today, I'm gonna just leave out that step. Or I'm not even sure because I didn't even do my face routine this morning. I didn't do any skincare this morning, so I might use this. And then what I do is just going with my Cetaphil or Cetaphil, whichever one you want to call it, Cetaphil, and that's the gentle skin cleanser, face and body. This for all skin types. And then after I'm finished with that, I go in with my Cetaphil daily oil-free hydrating lotion face. It's basically the same thing I use in the morning and in the night at the moment because I haven't bought anything else. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing that, and then sometimes I will also add on this. I use this on my eyelashes, on my eyebrows, and then I put a little on my lips. I wanted to buy the rosy lips one, that's the pinkish looking one. Okay guys, so now that I'm back in my room, now is when I put on like deodorant or lotion or those things. To be honest, I don't lotion all the nights, and I'm not gonna lotion tonight, not for the video. I ain't gonna fake this, but anyways, I use two types of deodorants. I use like this one, they're both Dove because most of them will bump me up, so I use the stick and I use the spray. But at nights I mostly use the spray, and I'll pick like a mild perfume, preferably like one of these because they're not as strong. Alright guys, so now what I'm gonna be doing, my tablet probably still on charge. Yeah, the tablet is still on charge. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the computer. I'm gonna go fetch me some water, turn on the computer, and I'm going to watch some YouTube. Yeah, I'm trying to watch out those 200 and odd videos. Oh my god, I want to sleep. So I might start editing this video, and yeah, because I normally edit videos in the nights sometimes, but I haven't been doing that for the longest time, so I might do that tonight and then watch some videos, or I might just watch some videos. I'll let you guys know what I do, but I'm gonna fetch myself some water first because I normally catch water so I can drink in the night. Anyway guys, we normally have to like lean the bottle to like get water and stuff like that, but Tovia, you know, introduced me to this, and it has been a lifesaver, so thank you girl. So basically it has like a button, it charges at the back somewhere, and it has a straw that goes down into the bottle, so we just put something over it so it can cover it because we don't want nothing to crawl on the mouth part of it. So yeah. Okay, So since it is Christmas time, I do have my lights, so I'm gonna plug in my lights right now. Okay, so I'm currently sleepy now, so I'm gonna clear off my bed and watch some more videos until I fall asleep.